Today I'll be fixing paper jam on a Xerox Color 550 printer. This is the printer and the jam is towards the right hand bottom of the printer. Now this is the door and this is where the sensor is located, on top of the door. Now this particular sensor is time controlled. Paper has to pass through it at a particular time so that it can send signal to the logic board that the paper has passed through it successfully. But when the paper lingers, and I'll show you the reason why the paper will linger, is as a result of this spring. There is a spring here. I'm going to recalibrate the spring. What I mean by recalibration is that I'm going to roll it one more time so that the spring becomes firmer, and then when you push the sensor, you discover that it bounces back steadily or faster. But the reason why the printer senses a paper jam even when there is no reason why there is a paper jam there is because of this particular spring is weak. It doesn't send the signal back to the logic board on time that the paper has been able to pass through it. So today I'll show you how to calibrate it. Now I'm going to detach. No need to detach the spring. What I'm trying to do right now is to roll the spring. You will see two ends of the spring. One end is hooked to one part of the lever, the one that moves up and down, while the other leg is holding on to the sensor itself. So what you have to do is just remove one of the leg and wind it one time. Move it across the end of the printer one more time. Now the reason for this is so that to firm up the spring, and then when you bounce the lever or you touch it, it raises up on time. If you push it down, it comes up faster, unlike it used to be before. So that is what I'm trying to do right now. I don't know if you're able to capture it through my camera, but that is just basically the fix for it. Locate the spring and then tighten the spring. Just roll it one more time in such a way that the spring becomes firmer, and then when paper passes through it, it bounces back.